Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay with Cash App step by step in the easiest way possible. First, download the Afterpay app in your phone if you don't already have it. Sign up and make sure your account is approved. Now open the Cash App on your phone and log in. Make sure your app is fully updated to the latest version. Tap on the profile icon in Cash App. Go to the link bank or payment method. If Afterpay is available in your area, you will see an option to link Afterpay. Follow the on-screen step to connect it. When shopping online or in the Afterpay app, choose the Afterpay to check out. Select Cash App as a payment source if promoted. Your purchase will be split into 4 equal payments, usually every 2 weeks. Payments are automatically taken from your linked Cash App balance or card. Make sure you have enough money to avoid late fee. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.